Welcome to the tutorial video of HS440D unboxing. You can use this card to learn about the functions of each button. You can also learn how to take off quickly by following the steps on the back of the card. Download the app. First-time users may need to sign up or sign in first. HS440D is GPS model. Please first tap on the map located in the bottom left corner to catch it. Insert 3 batteries into the battery compartment. Before your first flight, please remember to fully charge the drone battery. Unfold the drone. Insert the battery. To store your photos and videos, insert the TF card into the slot. Power on the drone. Power on the transmitter. Compass calibration. Keep the drone parallel to the floor and spin it 3 times. Point the head of the drone upward and spin the drone 3 times. Put the drone on a flat surface. The drone will automatically perform a search for GPS signals. Push the 2 joysticks to the bottom left corner to calibrate the gyro. Unlock the drone. Short press to take off, again to land. This drone comes with 2 speed levels. Tap to hide all the icons. Tap to turn on the VR mode. Tap to turn the cell phone screen upside down. Tap to enter the setting interface, alter settings for flight height/distance, etc. Short press to take a picture. Long press to record. Again to end. Tap to view the photos and videos taken by the drone camera. Tap to enter camera settings. Scroll the wheel to adjust the camera angle. Slide to zoom in and out. Follow me. The drone will track your movement by following the GPS signal on your mobile phone. Orbit flight. The drone will record its current position when this function is activated as the circle's center. Headless mode. The pilot should stay facing the same direction that the drone's head points to when it takes off. Draw a line on the screen to create a flight path. Submit the path. The drone will then fly along this path. Tap a few points on the screen. Submit the path. The drone will then fly along the path created by connecting the points you tap in order. Tap to activate the RDH function. The drone will fly automatically back to the home point. Long press to enter emergency stop. Thanks for watching.